everyone, and welcome back, or if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Leah. Thank you so much for joining me here today. For today's video, I wanted to do a festive look for you. I was tagged on Instagram by Tori Doherty in a tag that she was doing of 6 festive looks that she was doing before Christmas, so I decided to do the tag as well. All of my looks will be posted on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram and Tori's in the description box below so you can go and check them out and see all the looks that we're coming up with. But I figured I would film one of the looks that I am doing. This is the look number 2. Look number 1 is here in case you are interested in checking that out. The rest of them will be on my Instagram as I do them, but I haven't done them yet, so hence them not being put on the screen here for you. So this is look number 2 out of the 6 that I'm doing, and for this look, because I decided to make it even more challenging for myself, I am using one palette to create all 6 looks. I'm using a few other things to kind of pull into it, but the bulk of the looks will be coming from this palette here, and this is the Ccolor Cosmetics Unisex 2 palette. It looks like this, and this is what I'm using today and for all 6 of the looks, as I mentioned. So if you want to see how I got this look and possibly what kind of train wreck we kind of went through and traveled through, we kind of rocked a bit on the tracks. We got there. We didn't completely wreck. We rocked a little bit. If you want to see that and how I got this look, keep on watching. Because I already have my base done, I don't want to have to go in and clean it up with a Q-tip or anything like that and makeup remover, so I'm going to do the old Scotch tape trick, and you know, I brought my concealer down if I have to fix it up a bit because I am using a dark shadow. So I will be back in a second with tape on my eyes because I'm not sure I'm going to do this and hold a mirror. Okay, now hopefully this sticks on. It's not liking my base that I have on. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So good, not a ton of fallout, and of course I didn't bring Q-tips down, but I do have cotton pad. We will use a cotton pad and hope we don't smear. At least the tape is catching some of it. It's also taking off a good chunk of my concealer under here, so I'm glad I brought my concealer down. Okay, we are not done, but I'm going to go and finish this eye, and then I will come back and we will make this more Christmassy, because although this is very glam, it has the potential to be very glam, it's not speaking or, you know, giving me holiday vibes. So we will... This is why we bring concealer, and yes, we're going over powder, but don't be like me if you decide to do a look like this. You're going to be smart about it, and you will do your eyes first so you don't have a big mess to clean up, because I know this, common sense knows this, but for whatever reason common sense did not prevail today. This would be a great opportunity to take those like gold eye pads or those kind of eye patches if you have them and stick them under your eyes while you're doing your eye makeup, because a look like this with the darkness, you want to make sure your eyes are prepped and don't have a lot of darkness already peeking through, because the dark will just emphasize it. So yes, do your eyes first and then do your base. It'll go much easier. Okay, now to make this festive, we are going to attempt something. I'm going to take this lovely liquid lipstick in the shade Samara by Beauty by Brianna and stick this on my eyes. I really like this color. I think it's really nice for this time of year. I have this brighter one, which I like on my lips, which if I hadn't found this, I was going to use this, but I think the darkness in this might work better. We will see. I might end up using this, or I might be topping it with a red shadow, but a red liner on my eyes I will get, and then I'm going to put on some lashes and do my lips, and then we will have the completed look. So yeah, let's see how much more of a train wreck we can make this become. This was a bad idea. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use this shade Kogi. It's like a bright red, which might not be the greatest thing to do because it doesn't have a mirror, but we'll try. Ooh. I am determined to get this to work and to look classy and not like a, what in the bejeebers are you doing? I don't want it to look pink. Oh, and now I'm getting red all over my face. So not that you can see what I'm doing because apparently I'm new to all of this. Now I have red all over my face. And then we're going to have black on my face because I'm going back in with the black because I am determined to clean it up a bit. Because I'm determined to have a little bit of sparkle in here, I am going to go in with this shade here. It's Burano or something like that. And we'll see. Good luck getting both your eyes to match, Leah. It's probably not going to happen. This is not turning out the way I wanted it to, and it's a little upsetting. So I'm not even going to bother cleaning this off. I'm going to go and do this eye. Then I will clean it all off. And yeah. Then I'm going to put lashes on and hope it covers this and makes it look more Christmassy or glam, because right now what I saw in my head is not what is happening on my eyes, and I think it's because, you know, an actual eyeliner probably would have been beneficial, but that sometimes happens, so we're just gonna go from here and hope for the best and try and get it to match. I think I'm making this work, and it's not bad, it's just my face is covered in red and dark shadow, which is not going to work for me because I will make this work and I will make a Christmas look. I am determined, and hopefully I don't end up wearing everything else on me. Okay. Finish up my lower lash line here. I'm just going to go in with the black and then that brown and then that transition color, and now my eye is twitching. Oh my goodness. These are by Pura, and these are the Pro eyelashes in the, not shade, style, Diva. I've worn these before, so they already are shaped to my eye. I'm using the AOA Lash Glue. I regret these ones because they have a very large band on them, which I like. I don't mind these lashes. I think they're beautiful and they wear nice, but it isn't going to cover up any of that red that I actually have. So, yay me. I'm just going to put on this Lash Princess mascara by Essence. It's in the waterproof version that they have. I like how this makes my lashes look, but this flakes on me really bad, so. That's not sticking down. Now, I had to figure out what I'm putting on my lips. Okay, so this is the look I was finally able to salvage and come up with. I actually really like the way my eyes turned out. I will come in a little bit closer. We have the red showing through. We have a little bit of the sparkle coming through that I used with some of the other shadows with the black. And I do like it. It is a very bold look. I wish I had done my eyes first just because my under eyes are looking super crepey right now and dry, and it's just not giving me the look that I really want, which I know I would have been able to achieve if I had done my eyes first and then gone in with my face. Because it was very frustrating, you know, with a shadow on my face and then it left like shadows and hues on my face, and then I'm trying to cover them up as best as I can without making my face look super cakey and dry just from adding more product on top of powder and liquids and the whole shebang. And you know, Christmas can be stressful as it is. If you're getting ready to go out, you definitely don't want to have to worry about all that stuff as well. So if you do your eyes first, that's one less thing you have to worry about because it's an easy cleanup. The other thing is, if you really can't get it to work, it's an easy cleanup to just wipe it off, put in something, you know, a little neutral, slap on some lashes if you want, or maybe just do a bright lip and do your complexion products, and there you go. You know, it's a little bit easier to work it out than if you've already done your entire face and then you go in with your eyes and it doesn't work out. Then it's almost like you have to start over again. So those are just a couple tips I have, but also just keep on working through it. It is possible. Keep on blending, you know, try and fix it up as best as you can. And I would suggest leaving any mess that you have on your under eyes, on your face. If you've done your face products first, I would suggest just leaving it until the very end to fix up, because chances are, like I did, you'll get more on your face and then it gets frustrating. So just keep going until you get the look that you want, and that, you know, it might not turn out the way that you intended originally, but you might get something and you might be surprised. I'm really happy. Again, I'm proud of myself for sticking through it. It was a train wreck for a while, but we pulled through. This lip isn't my favorite to go with it, but I'm in my basement filming. I'm not up at my vanity, so I don't have a lot of variety here to switch it up, but this will work for now. As I mentioned earlier, this is my second look out of 6 that I am doing of festive looks before Christmas. Everything will be posted on Instagram. I just felt like doing a video to kind of show a festive look that maybe you could try and pull off. And you know what? If anything, it might show you to just keep sticking through it, keep going with it, and you know what? You might get there in the end. You might not, but sometimes perseverance is key. Who knows? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye-bye.